Don't ever let it be said that I forgot about you, because I did not forget about you. I had a business meeting. It ran over. It was a very good one. And I believe that if things go as progressed or as promised or as speculated upon, that it will mean many, many great things for 0 days to expiration, the show, the service, all of this. It's going to be fantastic. My audio is clipping out. My audio is crispy. Sound issue. Damn. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Is it better? Is it worse? Distortion. Of course. Let me try something. It'll just take a little bit. Staticky. I don't think that I can. Let's see, mic. All right. Does this one sound better? Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm trying a different channel. Sometimes YouTube broadcast does that. Yeah, I don't know. It sounds really good on this side. That one does sound better? All right. I'm good now. I just changed the channel. There you go. All right. Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for my, because it's, I can't tell from this side. I'm just blowing out of a microphone, out of a bullhorn. I have no idea what you hear. Problem solving. But what about this market today? Now that is a problem that I don't get. That is craziness. And it's going to continue to go down. Unfriggin' believable. Did anybody find out what the cause of all this was, or what the prevailing narrative is? Because I don't know. I've been detached. I first did a coaching call a little earlier, then I got onto a business call. So, and of course, none of the trades worked out because, well, I mean, we thought it was going to be, or I thought it was going to be bullish, and just went the other way. Yeah, crazy. It's why Brian says it's why the news doesn't matter. Yeah. Yeah, PPI and layoffs. Maybe it was the layoffs. Maybe that spooked people. Well, there's a testament then to the 0-DTE.com strategy. Because our risks are so small, we're looking for asymmetric returns. A trade that goes in the exact opposite way than you expect is of little consequence, or very, just a small little consequence. It doesn't blow you away. So that's a good thing. And and we can be wrong and live to tell the story. But I'm just, I keep on looking over this and I'm just saying, man, that is just so crazy. It's taking another turn, even lower. I don't see any new news, at least on TradingView. They haven't updated their news in 6 hours. Let's take a look at, let's go to the news stories and see what's going on. We need to go here. We need to go here. We need to go here. FinViz, news aggregator. Get rid of the ads. Russian citizen accused of running cryptocurrency exchange used by criminals. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine? There must only be Russians that are running crypto exchanges for criminals. Let's see. Holiday retail sales miss expectations. Mexico Congress confirms Maya to central bank board. I don't even know who that is. Stocks retreat after retail and inflation data. Well, what about the retail and inflation data? It all looked good to me. U.S. oil futures settle back below $80 a barrel. Ooh. The war in Ukraine has had a big impact on the world's... See, now they're just exploring for, what happened there? What happened? Let's see. Where was I? Yeah, the war in Ukraine has had a big impact on the world's #1 wheat export. That just seems like fishing for a story, doesn't it? Southwest pilots to vote on whether to authorize union leaders to call for strike. I don't understand that. That doesn't make any sense. Brookfield Property Fund for rich investors drops as rates rise. Royal Mail trails limited export of parcels after a cyber attack. Some of these... Now, we do have Davos going on, too. That might have something to do with it. Davos, where all the elites get together with the World Economic Forum. And they invited Elon Musk, and he declined the invitation. Let's see. Davos elites see a major risk ahead for markets with looming U.S. debt standoff. Why orange juice is so expensive right now? I don't know. Why would that be? British inflation fails in December as food costs soar, or falls. I'm way over here, but monitor's more than an arm's length away, and I'm trying to read it. Let's see. Stocks fall as earnings seasons pick up. Retail sales plummet. Did retail sales, did they plummet? Let's take a look. No, right here. Retail sales. Well, they expected them to go down. Now, this was an expectation because it's seasonal. And so it went down about 25% more. Well, not even 25, maybe 18% more than expected. So is that plummet? Yeah, I guess that's pretty bad. But that, 'tis the season for retail sales to drop. All right. Gold futures shake off early gains to finish lower. Is that what happened? Let's see. Let's look at gold. Yeah, gold. Yeah, look at that. It had nice gains and then it just fell. All right. Trump criticizes evangelical leaders for not backing his 2024 presidential bid. That's funny. Germany says it is no longer reliant on Russian energy. Is that really true? Webull is highly rated among traders, and that seems like an ad. Twitter offers Blue subscription at discounted annual price. Now, wait a minute. That's weird, because didn't they just increase the price from $7.95 to $11 something just recently? I mean, just recently. Oh, for an annual price. So I get it. So either you pay 11 something for the monthly price, or you pay a different price for the annual. Let's see what they go down to. Will it end up being $8? Yeah, see right here. So you can get it for $84. That way they get this big influx of cash. Send them $84. I don't know. It's worth it, I think. Oh, I don't know about this picture of Elon. Is that meant to shed a dark light on Elon? The quality of that picture? All right, so Microsoft's cutting, Amazon's cutting, Salesforce is cutting, everyone's cutting. All right. And let's see, let's go back to the market. And see, it's continuing to drop. All right, so here's the next LVL. We blast through this one. Now we're down to the next one. I had said earlier when we were tempting this level at 39.82 that if we went through here, that we were likely to come down to 39.50, which we have. Now it looks like we've hit it with such force that I would not be surprised that we get down to 39.06. Wow. So is this what disinflation is all about? Is the market disinflating here? Look at that. That's incredible. Well, let's see what happens. Let's see what the big picture looks like. Wow, that's a big move. That is a big ass move. See, we can go all the way back to... So there's the bottom of the market down here. Do you think we'll get down there? I don't think so. Wow, and everything was going so well. Kind of dashed those hopes, huh? All right, back to the big head. So, I mean, there is more evidence for why you need to define your risk in this market. And don't rely on technical or fundamental analysis. Let's see. Are we looking at something else over here? I see. Robro says continuation, consolidation, or reversal tomorrow. Anyone brave enough to guess? I'll guess. Me. My guess is a continuation, that we're going to go down further, that we're going down to the purple line, 39.06. See the purple line? Let me show you. See, there's the purple line right there. We're going to go down to this node here. Now remember, we had the megaphone breakout from here. And it went down, then went sideways, and now we've been going up. Now we're going to retreat. Huh. The big question is, will Tesla shake this off and continue its rise? There's the big question. Let's see. So Musk trial. Lawyers clash over whether CEO lied in 2018 on a Tesla tweet. They're after him. They're after Elon. They want to get him because he can't be that big. He can't snub the government. All right. So I'm going to, there's no real purpose for today. Today was an off day, and I wish I had more to say, but I'm going to tell you. And let me bring back this. I just had a business meeting, and this business meeting could have some major impact to the delivery of this service, all in a good way. My reach will be expanded. The plans that we have will also include new content, new services, new support, the ability to scale. Currently, I think I have close to 1,000 customers. But this new idea may double, triple, quadruple, pentuple that number, maybe 10x. And so if that happens, then the way we do business is not going to fundamentally change. It's going to get better. We'll still have the same kind of personalized service that we have. It's just that all the other things around it will just get better. You know, the quality of materials, the service, everything, coaching. So that's all good. So we'll see, you should be able to see material differences happen in the next couple of months, definitely before the spring is over. So that's what I think. So there's going to be a lot happening. And I'm very glad that you're on this journey with me. If you're looking forward to that, give this show a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. And we'll cut this off here. I literally do not have course material to share with you today. So, there's no real reason to go on. I had a trade on, but obviously it was a bullish trade, so there's nothing to talk about there. I could make up reasons why the market went down and talk about that, but I have no idea, and it really doesn't matter. But it certainly changed the complexion of the market over at least what has been developing over the past few days. In fact, today's one move took out many days of advances. So that is very significant. When you have one down candle that takes out literally weeks, or even days or weeks, that is a truly a bearish signal if it does not recover very quickly. So that's what I have to say. Oh, thanks, Barry Wyatt. He says the intro courses are already better, I think. They are. They definitely are. But I'm talking about a wholesale change that is going to dramatically increase the quality of content. So that's where I'm coming from. All right. Thank you all very much. I need to go. Peace to you all. And I hope you all have a good evening. And we'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Music Man.